where creativity's the key. I'm a crafter, a DIY scrapper. Let's bring our visions to life, you see. Let's create together, hand in hand.
Hi Craft Angels, Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs. And I'm here today, I'm going to show you how to make a bow. I do have the bow maker. I try to come up with more ways that I've learned. I've learned how to do it with 2 fingers. I've learned how to do it with the bow maker and different ways. Now this is a way that I've taught myself to do it. And you can do this with ribbon, you can do it with anything. What I do is, you know how you tie your shoe, right? You do the bunny ears, you bring this over, okay? You bring this like this, and then you take this piece of crochet thread, bring it under, tie this, okay? Tie it like so, and before you tie it, right? Bring your bow in the way you want it and try to bring your thread as center as you possibly can get it. Okay? And tie that tie right there. Like so. Do it this way and then do it that way. Right over left and left over right. Okay? And then trim. Okay? And then you can take this, but first what I would do is put some hot glue, even it out. Put some hot glue where you want to cut it, and then after your hot glue is cooled off, then cut it. That way it won't fray. This is a new way I taught myself how to make a bow, and you can put it one on top of the other, make the next one smaller, go smaller and smaller. So here's how to make a bow. And I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, hit the red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be kind, be caring, be crafty, be blessed, be positive, be creative. And I will see you all in the next video. Go make something pretty today. And I'll see you all later. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And bye-bye for now.
Hi, hello, welcome to my channel where creativity's the key. I'm a crafter, a DIY scrapper. Let's bring our visions